This time last week, we pushed an update to the free forever recruitment platform that we're building for freelance recruiters and startup recruitment agencies. And in this update, we included the ability for you to be able to design your own customized recruitment careers page. So you can build a recruitment careers page with inside a Giig where you can edit the colors, the banner photo, the text, add your own company logo. You can basically style it to match your company brand. And then on the free forever version, you can advertise up to 3 roles at a time that you can then share with potential candidates. And any candidates that then do apply to your job positions are automatically added into the ATS for you to review. And you can then push them into the database and submit them to your clients. And when I was talking about this feature last week, one of the things that I didn't mention or didn't talk about is how you actually share those job descriptions with candidates so that they can apply. So in this video, I'm going to do a quick screen share demo where I'll quickly give you an overview of the careers pages and then show you how you can use the shareable links to pass those job adverts to your clients for them to apply to be entered into your database. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can take the jobs that you've got advertised on your careers page and you can share them, distribute them online to share them with potential candidates that you would like to apply for those positions. So before I do that, I'll kind of quickly run you through the careers page. As you can see on the left hand side, you have the option to come careers page and view, and that opens up the careers page for you. So with a careers page in Giig, you have the ability to change the text, the background image, your logo. You can connect it to your website, and then you can start to advertise the different roles that you're working on for candidates to apply. Now, with the free forever version of the product, you can advertise 3 roles at a time, and then you can rotate those roles as often as you need to. Just to show you where the settings are, if you come back to the home nav and settings, this is where you can kind of change all of the settings just to customize that careers page so that it fits your brand and it suits your company style. So if I now open up a role, the senior software engineer one here, you can see you've got the full job description and you've got a form for candidates to apply. And at the very top here, you've got the option to copy the link to the clipboard, share it on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and via email. Now, I don't actually have a Facebook attached to this computer, but I can kind of show you what it looks like through LinkedIn. So if I click the LinkedIn share, you can see there it's pulled through the link and you can kind of start to add your thoughts, and then you can obviously post that on your LinkedIn. You can also just take the link and copy it into messages as well if you want to do it that way, but you'll see that it's pulled through a photo, and that is the photo that you attach to the background of your careers page. Whatever picture you put in there, the system will put it through. As you can see, it's pulled the role title and the salary as well. And if I show you what Twitter looks like, it kind of does exactly the same thing. It will pull the link through, and then it will pull through this kind of like highlighted link where it will add the image, and then again has the role title and the salary there. The other method that some recruiters use to share the jobs with potential candidates is by copying it to the clipboard, like I kind of showed you at the start, and then they come into their candidate lists. Now, they might keep lists of specific demographics of candidates that they know are on the lookout for certain roles, and when they get that role, they can come in to the candidate list. The system will then pull up the list of any candidates in their database that are a match. They can then select the candidates, click send bulk email, and then the system's going to allow them to kind of distribute that. Now, what you can do is you can have an email template where you just select the template, then that will bring out kind of the standardized email you'd say, and you can just then copy in at the bottom the link to the job, and any candidates that click that will then obviously be directed to this page here where, as I mentioned, they can apply. And then when any candidates do apply, they're going to fall into this section on the left hand side again where you've got new applicants. So you can then take a look at every single applicant that's applied to your role, review the CV, because everything that they attach should pull through. So if I quickly open one up, you should hopefully see that the CV is attached in here. So that will all pull through, and you can look at kind of all the details that they've added in their application form and decide whether or not you want to push them through. And all you have to do with that is come actions and either approve or reject the candidate, and that's either going to send them to the role or reject them from the position.